Yep. Sanibonani guys, sanibonani. Yeah, South Africa Bafana Bafana is playing against Lesotho namhlanje ngo 6 o'clock. So everyone must support. We are expecting everyone to support Bafana Bafana, even though ama-player amanye ama-team bangawaselekthanga, but all 16 teams fans must support Bafana Bafana. And another thing, I wish Hugo Bros makangafaki uTebogo Mokoena just to avoid idrama bafethu. We already have idrama ye-3 point efanele ithathwe. Yabo. Sinawo ama-players a-capable okushaya iLesotho. Asidingi uTebogo Mokoena ukuthi sishaye iLesotho. It's not like sodlala neGermany. Yabo. Asihlanganeni ngo 6 o'clock. I'll be live broadcasting the match. Danko.